Number 1. Introducing the MRCOOL Star D 3rd Gen 12K BTU 22 SEER Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump. These are ductless mini split heat pumps with enhanced Wi-Fi engineered to make setup not only quick and easy, but the MRCOOL DE Star series is flexible enough to be installed virtually anywhere without requiring specialized tools or expensive equipment. The 12000 BTU unit is 22 SEER and designed to heat and cool up to 500 square feet both efficiently and effectively. Our SmartVac app is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can also control your DE anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device with an internet connection. Doing it yourself has never been easier with the new MRCOOL Star DE. This unit is shipped in 2 boxes. Number 2. Gree VIREO Plus 22 SEER, most reliable mini split air conditioner. The new VIREO Plus wall mount units brings dramatic new performance and style to every room. Never before has it been so easy to maintain constant indoor comfort, no matter the outdoor conditions. VIREO Plus has you covered with a multitude of features that help you live well and stay comfortable, all controlled easily either with the wireless infrared remote controller or optional wired controller. Gree VIREO Plus has an option to upgrade to universal Wi-Fi technology by purchasing the Wi-Fi kit WSBEC02. With this kit, you will be able to control your unit from your smartphones or tablets anywhere, as long as you have Wi-Fi access. With the advanced I-Feel mode, for example, VIREO Plus senses the temperature surrounding the remote controller, then adjusts airflow and temperature accordingly to create maximum comfort in all the right places. Number 3. Cooper & Hunter 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC Heating System Sophia Series 21.5 SEER. Let's first look at the Cooper & Hunter Sophia Series Mini Split Air Conditioner specs because they are quite fantastic, especially for the price. Every time we see a SEER rating above 20, we ask, wow, great, but what's the price? That's because the super high SEER ductless mini split ACs cost $1,500 or more. Because, in 10 years you are expected to get all this money back due to lower electricity bills. Well, Cooper & Hunter have put together a unit with 21.5 SEER for a bit more than $1,000. That's just something you don't really see every day. The heating specs quite great as well. Almost 10 HSPF rating. So, this can't be all gold for about $1,100, right? Well, it's not. The Sophia series has below average dehumidification levels. Also, the airflow goes up to 360 FM. But that does have one big advantage: silence. Number 4. Bosch Ultra-Quiet 12K BTU 230V Mini Split Air Conditioner and Cooling System. Compact and easy, aesthetic and modern indoor air handler with compact and easily concealed outdoor condenser unit. Wide range, 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, ideal for rooms up to 600 square feet. The unit provides heat with outdoor temps down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. Provides cooling up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit outdoors. Energy efficient, Energy Star certified for greater efficiency and lower energy costs. 22 SEER and 10 HSPF rated. Remote settings: wireless backlit remote with silent mode, timer, follow me, and turbo speed settings for the highest level of home comfort. Includes indoor air handler and outdoor condensing section. Requires line set for complete assembly, sold separately. So, this can't be all gold for about $1,100, right? Well, it's not. The Sophia series has below average dehumidification levels. Also, the airflow goes up to 360 FM. But that does have one big advantage: silence. Number 5. Pioneer Diamante Series Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. High-efficiency Diamante Ductless Mini Split Inverter Heat Pump System. Use for both cooling and heating, 9,000 BTU per hour with 19 SEER and 10 HSPF efficiency. Diamante series carries a full line of low ambient wall-mounted mini splits with capacities ranging from 9,000 BTU per hour to 36,000 BTU per hour for various residential and light commercial applications. Complete system set including indoor, fan coil, section, outdoor, condenser, section, wireless remote controller with remote holder, 16 feet. Outline set with other installation accessories. Free vibration absorber feet for the condensing unit.